For this exercise, we're asked to find the area of the figure. We have a figure here that's just a polygon. We have this length right here is 3 feet, and this length is 13 feet, and we can divide this figure into two separate figures by putting a dotted line. And I'm going to call this, inside this first rectangle, A sub 1, and inside of this other rectangle, I'll call it A sub 2. So if we can find the area of A sub 1, the first rectangle, and the area of A sub 2, the second rectangle, we can just add those together to get the area of the figure. So we can write out that the area that we want is equal to A sub 1 plus A sub 2. So our area is going to equal, the area of A sub 1 is just a rectangle. And remember, anytime you have a rectangle, you can find the area by multiplying the length times the width. So in this case, the length is 13 and the width is 3. So we have 13 times 3 plus the area of the second rectangle, A sub 2. Well, let's see here. We also have 3 feet on one side, but what is the length of this longer side? Well, we can see that the length is equal to 6 feet plus the distance of this dotted segment. The distance of this dotted segment is just 3 because it's the opposite side from this other 3 feet. So really, this length is a total of 6 plus 3, or 9. So the area of rectangle A sub 2 is going to be 9 times 3. This 9 times this 3. So let's figure out what that is. 13 times 3 is 39, plus 9 times 3 is 27. When we add those together, we get 66, and we're going to write our answer as 66 feet squared, or we can say that 66 square feet because it's an area.